All right, so I just made it about an hour and a half away with the GMC. As you can see, the bed is holding up nicely, and I came all the way out this way so I could pick up the tailgate. So let me show you what we got around here. Got this beautiful C70. Look at that patina. Man, I'll knock that dump bed off, really make that into something special. Here we are. There's the Denali. Hey, it looks great. I can't wait to get it on and all of that. So let's get it. Let's get out of here and on to the next one. All right, so it's on. It looks great. I got to figure out some wiring things a little bit later, but at least it's starting to come together. It's starting to look like a truck, at least from the back end. It looks beautiful from the back. But we will get back home, get to work. Talk to you later. All right, hey everybody. So we have paint prep work to do on these, and let me show you what we got. So big things to do on these doors. We are going to strip them down. Mirrors come off. These come off. This, I guess we could take them off. Both doors. Window trim all come off. I'm not sure if I want to take these off. Maybe. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it so that it's so easy for these painters to paint the door the right way that I don't have to worry about it overspray. I will not mount the doors on the truck because you might as well leave it on here. But what I want to do is I want to get everything off of these doors to the point where they just have to scuff, prep, and shoot. That's the plan. Over here, if time allows, I want to be able to scuff and prep the chrome part of this bumper to be painted to color match. Because I really want an all white face. And you know, if this part at the bottom has to stay that color, so be it. What we're looking at here is a 1500 Silverado upper bumper trim. But what's on the front of this truck is that HD front end. So big question that I have is, should I have them repair this damage or just replace it with what we have over there? Taking a look in here. I'd probably like for them to fix that because I really like it. But there's a couple of creases on this chrome bumper that I would rather do away with. So that's the plan. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. Keep that upper portion, replace that lower portion with what we have over there. Fenders. So this fender, it can be repaired, but why would you want to? I have a replacement fender over there just past the bumper, so we'll be in good shape. The hood, they'll be doing metal work and repairing. I already went over the doors, so the front ones will be replaced. The rear ones we will keep, and rust repair. So, look right down there. We got a lot of rust repair to do. But I have replacement panels that I will be giving to them, so they'll be able to do both sides. The entire bed section will be left alone. We are not painting that. We're keeping it that pearl white, and we're painting the front of the truck to match the rear. So I will have a pearl white 08 3500 HD when this is all said and done. That's a lot of work and not a lot of time to do it, so let's hop to it. All right, so I just want to catch you up on the progress that I've done so far. Doors are stripped down. Breakdown of the doors are in the plastic bags. They're bagged and tagged. Panels are right here, so we're good there. And now I'm gonna get to work on this front bumper. So what I want to do is I want to remove this plastic section from the chrome, and then I'll get down to getting it sealed and getting this chrome ready for paint.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you.
All right, so it is the next day and we are ready to go to the paint shop. Let me show you what we've got here. We've got fender, we've got doors, rocker panel and cab corners. Front bumper that's sanded down, at least started for them. We've got door panels, lower door, and black bags with all of the labeled parts in there. So this should be a really good starting point to get the front end of the truck to match the rear end. Let me get a couple more shots of this because it will not look like this when I get back. Oh man, it's gonna be hard to imagine it in its before state, so let's get over there. So if you take a look at the body line that our painter's pointing out, you'll notice a difference. That Silverado fender goes straight versus the GMC fender that's curved. So I made the wrong decision in purchasing that fender. Also, I bought a 1500 grill when the truck is a 3500, not knowing that there's a difference. And finally, I opted to repair that top bumper cap. So you'll see the gash is gone and everything is now looking straight. All right, and now here is the truck fresh out of paint. Looking at this, I'm not seeing any imperfections, fish eyes, or anything of that sort. Now, if I had one complaint, it would be that he did not take the parts off and paint them individually. I like it better that way because now you can get around the corners and you're not painting it straight as you see it on the vehicle. It's a lot better that way for longevity's sake as well. However, I do know with painting pearls, it's really tricky to make sure that you get the right consistency and the right look across all of the panels. So I understand why he did it this way. Also, it's a lot easier and more cost effective from his point of view, and he passed those savings on to me. So not complaining. Overall, it looks 100 times better and I'm really pleased with the outcome. Hey everybody, so I'm here. This is the day that we're finally getting the truck back, and it's been exciting waiting for the last week and a half to see what it looks like, and here it is. So just take a look at this amazing truck. Don't mind the headlights. I got some cheap eBay ones that aren't sealed, but the color match is on point. It is pearl all the way through, and I am so happy with the way this turned out. Now, what's up next? I've got that rear bumper off to the side. Got to do that. I got the right brackets in stock now, so now I can get those mounted. All of the old stuff is in the bed of the truck. No need for that anymore. But from all angles, this thing just looks incredible and so happy. All right, so before this video concludes, I've been telling you all that I wanted to do something different in the garage. Wanted to make things a little bit more organized, spruce up the place. So I have a 20-second clip of what I did to transform my garage. So I'll play that right now. If you all are interested in seeing more about that transformation, leave a note in the comments. Either way, happy to have you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.